Okay, so we've logged into the NFTBoxingKings, and we can see here's my boxer. We're going to kick it off with a quick match to show you how the fights go, and this is going to be a 5-round battle. As you can see, my green guy, I got a chameleon of me. We have 5 rounds. The first one to knock the opponent down or get enough points to the round wins. The green bar is your health, and the yellow bar is your stamina. So as you punch, and there I knock down the opponent. So my guy's on the left. And as you knock down, hit the opponent down with your punches, you take his health down, and you also lose his stamina. So you can see here at a round score of 8, won the round. I got a knockdown. Get out of the way here a little bit. So we're going into round 2 now. We'll see how many punches I throw. Come out throwing. You can see that the stamina goes down the yellow bar, and it goes back up depending on your attributes, which we'll get into how you utilize the attributes. So NFTBoxingKings is a game that you can, it's free to play. You play to earn. If you want to, you can mint out one of the NFT boxers. It's on the Polygon chain, and by doing this, you can actually increase the attributes. And as you build out your boxer, these attributes will be shown on the OpenSea where they will be listed, and as you build your attributes, you will be increasing the value of your NFT. So here we are into round 3. I did get a knockdown that last round. Come out, and the opponent hit me down a little bit. So like I say, when you get the best of 3, and right now we're player versus computer. We're looking at a player versus player mode. It's going to come out currently. The NFTBoxingKings is in beta mode. So if you're interested, I'll put DFKings.io is a website, and we have NFTBoxingKings Telegram as well, and a Discord for DFK Gaming. So you get into the socials there, and you can actually get the beta and start using it on an Android or a PC. Currently the iOS is closed right now. So here, won the fight. Now you can see I've earned 187 in-game gold coins and 6 gems. And we also have earned a crate for getting the knockdown. You get points or gold and gems whether you win or lose. And as you can see here, I have the 4 crates we can go through right now. They're still in, as we're in beta mode. The crates are not working exactly. We're still building out a few of the attributes that we have. So as I talked about, you'll see for doing the fights, that was the boxing. If we go into the gym, you're the manager of your boxer. So my skill points, I earned some skill points for doing each fight, whether you win or lose. I have 2,232 skill points, and these are used to upgrade the attributes of the boxer. So you can see here the attributes are down below. We have jab, hook, uppercut, stamina, health, walk speed, punch speed, and blocking. So right now I only really have enough points to upgrade blocking or my walking speed. I could do my health as well. Most of my other stuff has been upgraded beyond that. So let's pick one here right now. We'll upgrade my health. As you can see, it went from 125.7 to 138. And you also see that there's a percentage now. It'll cost me a couple things. It'll cost me a little more skill points, so it went up to 3,321 points. These start quite low. They're at 47 points for the first round upgrades. I've got over 3,000 boxing matches, so don't be concerned that these are quite high, because I do have a whole lot of matches right now. Now, the other upgrade that you have, you can see the gym upgrade equipment. You have +4 speed upgrades. So what does that mean? So the walking speed I have right now, if you look at the 7.76%, if I pay for that gym upgrade, it increases that green percentage that's there and allows your points to go up. So that walking speed that went up to 3.38 or the health that went up, or if I upgraded this one, the walking speed from 3.38 would go up by a greater percentage if I upgraded the gym. So right now, if I spend 715,000 in-game dollars, I could upgrade my gym. And again, this starts really low. I've done several of these upgrades through my 3,000 plus battles. So again, don't be overly concerned by the number there. So we'll go over to looking at the crates, and we'll come back to the blue boxes here in just a second. So if we go where you can get, here you can get your League Pass, which will allow you to extra access. This is to be determined. I don't know exactly what's going to be there as they build this out, but you get a League Pass for doing it. And then you can buy your quick grabs here. I'll buy a Speed Cola, and what these do is each of these quick grabs increases one of your attributes that we talked about in the gym, and it decreases another. So if you utilize the 4, you can balance out and increase your boxer by making the right combination of quick grabs that you have. As you can see at the top, I didn't talk about this earlier, but we have crowns, which is going to be, I believe, for the tournament mode. That's yet to be determined. I have 139,118 in-game coins, and then my gems is 1,370. So crates, you can utilize your gems on crates, as well as for buying some in-game gold coins. So if I use 250 of my gems right now on a mega crate, so you go down and right now, like I said, these aren't working, so they're just gray boxes, but actually I'm getting quick grabs into my inventory. So and I've tested some of these out that, you know, you get 20 quick grab items for buying the largest 2,500 gems. So you do get quite a few. And then also, if you go down, you can utilize, if you need more gems, you can purchase these, you know, once comes out on the Android, Google Play Store, Apple App Store. You can actually use, you know, your fiat funds to buy gems and improve your boxers that way, or buy stuff that you need. So right here you can use, you know, 1,000 coins, 139,000. I can or 60 gems to get 1,000 coins. So I have 1,120 gems. Punch that one. You can see I'm down to 1,065, and I got 1,000 gold coins. So let's go back over to the gym. Now I talked about how you can utilize those quick grab attributes. If you click on one of the blue boxes here, you can use 4 of these at a time. So if you use the smoothie at the top here, it's a 2-hour effect. I get a +6 health, but I'll get -6 to jab. So by using the combinations of different 4 of these different ones, I can actually I usually can get a benefit quite effectively. So you get the -6 jab. So here I have a +14 jab, -13 stamina. So if I could actually combine those two, and my jab speed would go up by 8, and my health would be just you know, slightly down, and then I have to find one for stamina. So you can create different combinations of these. Some are better than others. Some of them you just want to sell if you find one that doesn't really work. Here I have one +20 jab and only -2 health. That's a really good one, which I could create a combination with. So if you don't like one that you have, you can click on it and sell it for in-game coins. Otherwise, you know, I have a lot of these. I've just been kind of hoarding them. So like you say, if you click on one to sell it, yeah, I do want to sell it, I get 76 in-game dollars, and that, you know, goes towards my next gym upgrade. So now that if you go back here, the dollars are at like 140, 239, so I've increased them a little bit. So this is the NFT Boxing Kings game, and if you want to look into minting an NFT for this, you know, come in and play this, because you'll be able to learn about it in beta, and right now you can actually just utilize it. We don't have the poly NFTs to mint at this point in time, but they will be coming out shortly. We anticipate the game will be coming out sometime in the new year. We're going to be integrating player versus player into the beta shortly, so we'll be able to not just fight the computer, but we'll have the player versus player mode, which will allow us to you know, have fight nights on Friday night, bring, you know, a number of people together and share the screen, and you know, get for bragging rights, get out for boxing. There'll be some, you know, maybe put some prizes up, and you know, definitely get the bragging rights on those. So this is the NFT Boxing Kings game. If you're interested, again, I'll put the links in our to this video for the socials to get into there. DeFiKings.io, NFT Boxing Kings have a Telegram. So come and join us and try out the game.